Back here with a look at, is this Qube or Qube? Not sure. I'm looking at it for a member, a paying member. So let's take a look at this chart. All right, we got some bullish divergence going on down here on the bottom. So it looks like a possible bottom has come in on this thing finally. All right, you can see the falling wedge and you can see a breakout of it. Okay, so possible bottom here. Let's take a look at a few things. All right, we got the 3-day RSI heading up. Okay, still bullish, a 57 and a 46. All right, that's in between your weekly and your daily, so that's a good one to see. All right, the daily itself is at a 75 and a 76. It has actually flipped over bearish, but okay, I want to show you. Look at this. We got bullish divergence. We got this low, and we have a higher low on the RSI. Okay, now what I want to show you here is if we come over to price, the same area, we have this low, okay, and we have a lower low on price. All right, so we got bullish divergence there, which that's what you want to see. Okay, got bullish divergence on the daily, the 12-hour. We got the same thing. We got bullish divergence on it. I don't know why it's let's try pulling that up a little bit further. I don't know why it's doing that, but you can see higher lows here on the 12-hour, the 8-hour. You got the same thing going on, and the 4-hour. Let's see, do we got bullish divergence on the 4-hour? Yes, we do. All right, you can see I don't know why it's doing that, but you got higher lows on every time frame. You got bullish divergence. Okay, so I would be watching for a bounce out of this thing. All right, you can see it broke out of this falling wedge. Now the 4-hour RSI is bearish. All right, but it is turning up down here on the bottom. The 8-hour is bearish, a 71 and 82. All right, so these aren't lining up real great, but the 12-hour is also bearish, but these things look like they are going to push back up. Okay, that daily, I would watch for that to flip back bullish, and the 3-day, I would watch for that to flip back bullish here. I mean, you got bullish divergence on all these time frames, which should be pointing upwards. Okay, now anything that would invalidate that, I would expect it to hold this level right here. All right, right through, right there. Okay, I would not want to see it lose that level at 0.000686. I would want to see that hold as support. Okay, if it loses that area, then this bullish divergence probably is not going to come into play. But you very rarely see bullish divergence on every single time frame. All right, so I'm watching for a breakout on this thing. Any break above this price level right here, and this thing should start going. All right, right there. 0.000756. Okay, any break of that area and this thing should really get going. Then your next resistance is up there, 0.000854. All right, and then we'll take it from there if we break out of them areas. But I'm looking at this as possibly right here as a 1, 2, then your third wave, fourth wave, and then your fifth wave up. Okay, that's exactly what can be going on here. If that is what's going on, if we put a trend-based fib on here and get an idea of a target for this thing, if it doesn't pull back any deeper, you could get a but it's possible 0.001178. That could be a possible target up here. So we're going to leave that on here. Seeing these bullish divergences on all these time frames is giving me a inkling that that this thing is getting ready for a breakout. All right, thank you very much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. That was easy to get out. And have a great day. I'll be back to you very soon.